Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Audi Q3. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on to Bluetooth's on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It may show up quickly before I even go onto the screen, but you can do one of two things. You can either go to menu and then along to telephone like so, or you just click the telephone button there. Easiest thing. There's nothing connected at the moment, so it's saying please search for new mobile. That's what I want to do. Click continue, click, and then as I say, we're watching out on the screen and on the bottom here. It's looking for my phone, and the phone's in search mode too. May take a few seconds because I've only just deleted this phone from this system, so sometimes it confuses it. Barry's iPhone 11. So select that, click on that, hands-free. Now, one thing I'll also tell you, sometimes, and I don't know why, this has media streaming, audio streaming. Now, sometimes when you come to this bit, you've got hands-free and you've also got audio, and there's a tick, and then you click select. For some reason on this it's not, and on other cars it's not just this one. So I'll show you what to do. So hands-free, click on hands-free, watch out at the bottom here. Connection unsuccessful. We'll try again. Barry's iPhone. That's me talking too much. Hands-free. There you go. Bluetooth pairing request pair. It's 165802, 165802. And in the unlikely event there's another Audi part next to you and you're trying to pair to them, but yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow, and we're up to the top. Audi MMI connected. There you go, it's connected, and the connection's been established there.